Hey friends, if you wish to change sleep settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Go to the power and battery tab on the list on the right hand side. Expand screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, and then you can find the screen and sleep details. Okay, you can also change it, like you can turn your screen off after 1 hour when it's plugged in, or you can make your system sleep after 5 hours of inactivity, and the same can be changed for battery mode. Okay, usually you can keep it on never for plugged in, but that's your choice. So this is how you can change the screen and sleeps timings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.